Hello, good dear listener. This is an easier opportunity that you want to make money online. I'm taking people basically on WhatsApp. WhatsApp is the one of the fastest and easier way to make money, but many people don't know about it. What do I mean by that? If you want to make more money on WhatsApp or any other places, first of all, go to WhatsApp. WhatsApp is the hostess area and the best place you can make more money on it. So what do I mean by that? If you want to make money on WhatsApp, first of all, go to Google account and create wassup.com. How do you create it? When you go to Google, click onelink.com. When you click the onelink.com, you see area there, right? Put your phone number, and the second area is there, the customer message, body message. The area that place a customer message, what you do there is very simple. How do you do it? You put the name of the customer message. You just put as my name is this. My name, you put dash. I am interested of your business. I'm interested of your training online, or I'm interested of whatever you're doing. That's place. You just go down to the stage and copy the link below. After you copy the link, you take the link to your to Facebook. After you advertise the whole product you want to advertise, you put out the link that you have copied from the WhatsApp. You put it there. Somebody who interested of what you're doing will come to you on WhatsApp directly and begin to discuss with you what you are doing. Maybe you are a master, maybe you are a computer, maybe you are whatever you are doing that you know it very well. In like computer people, if you are the website designer, you from there be teaching people on how to design website. You begin to teach them with your phone, and they will be interested on you and they will like it. Or maybe you are you're producing something but nobody knows what you're producing for. From that you advertise and you begin to share them how they produce this one, how they do this one. From there they learn it and they pay you for your training. It's not most that you will go to school, or most you will go to your area or have a shop before you start teaching whatever you have. What you learn, as far as you learn it, it is a part of you. You can teach it any places. You can teach it in your house. You can teach it at any places you want in your life. So make a use of WhatsApp in a proper way. You begin to earn money that you are not even expecting in your life. So make it is very easy. Thank you for watching this video, and try to share this video for everybody so that in our next area we are going to show it in a practical aspect of you, because some people will not understand it clearly. We are going to take you people in a practical lesson about this WhatsApp, how make more money and how to generate the link. I'm going to teach you people in next video, so be with us. Share the link, like this and subscribe it, so that next time you will be a part of our training in the right time. Because if you didn't subscribe it or if you didn't like it, when I come online you will not see us. So try and do it now so that you will get your own share at the next video, and be prepared to enter the next video, because we are about to prepare the next video now. Try and share this and copy it. Thank you for watching this video.